Basic web design and development. Web design refers to the visual design and experiential aspects of a particular website. The more attractive the design is, more productivity of any firm will increase due to it. We can say that it is a significant part for a company to give their best performance. Website development refers to the building and maintenance of a website structure and involves intricate coding systems that ensure the website functions properly. Main scenario. Nowadays, creating a website is one of the pillars of having an online presence. Moreover, this can give an opportunity to increase the productivity and the sales of a company's product. As this is a paramount concern for a company, it is important to have a website to reach at new heights in the realm business. Here, we are asked by the BP Sales and Marketing to introduce a proposal for a company to give them guidance regarding strategies to sell their IT products in a better way. We have been assigned to prepare a proposal, presentation materials, and sales presentation on any one product of the following categories, namely basic web design and development. Getting started. Despite their similarity, web designers and developers both have different roles. Designers are those who focus on visual aspects of the website, which clears the motive of its usability and overall UX. Developers are responsible for the taking out the concepts and the ideas given by the designers and coding them into a fully functioning website. Now, the most considerable fact is that what is more important and what to choose as a career. The answer is simple. If you think that you are good with the color theory, branding, and creative element of creating a website, web designer is the best option. However, if you are pragmatic and interested in the technical side of the projects, then web developer could be a sensible career option. What's the difference? In order to tie all of this together, let's have a look at the big differences between these two roles. Designers focus on appearance and usability, while developers on structure and functionality of the website. The tools and the software used by both are quite different from each other. The skills in both the fields are also matter. Both roles demand specific skills and unique functions. So, in order to construct and maintain a website, web designers and developers both plays an paramount role to give a quality product to a company. In conclusion, the main difference is that developers are mainly responsible for the technical aspects of a project, such as programming and coding, in order to ensure a solid UX and UI. Designers handle visual and conceptual work. Future impact of web design and development. In an evolving world, technology production is essential. Therefore, web design and development is critically important for the future of our global society. This can raise more opportunities to those who are interested in the work of designing, and due to it they can contribute with this talent to the technology to improve the productivity of any company. As web designers and developers has impeccable skills to boost the sales of a particular product via website which create their dominance in the marketplace. Last but not least, web designers and developers around the globe are developing new ways to continue a field to grow through websites. These ideas include pageless websites, voice interface, 3D visuals, integration of artificial intelligence, and chatbots. Important languages for web designing and development. Having a website and keeping it updated regularly is the best way to attract new customers and retain existing ones. All customer questions should be answered in a timely manner, and communication must always be open. As well, products and services need to be described in detail, updated regularly, and revised as required. Tracking sales and generating leads is essential, as well as making changes along the way. For businesses to thrive and continue to evolve, mastering the best programming languages for web development is essential. Here, if we talk about the languages which can easily handle the work of designing and developing the websites in few hours, then those are as follows: web designing and developing languages. HTML. The layout and the structure of any website is relied on it. With a little use of coding, and you can make dynamic web pages through it. It is used to create the starting point and where static first page is initiated of any website. A better way to understand this language is to consider it as the skeleton that is holding your website together. CSS. It is used by the developers to design a website. This includes hand-in-hand experience of HTML to add colors, backgrounds, fonts, layouts, and many more. This language is a core technology web developers used to design and build websites. JavaScript. In web development, JavaScript is used extensively. For example, interactive elements are added to website by using this language. JavaScript elements should be incorporated into your web design to engage your users. PHP. PHP is frequently used for data intensive websites and app development. This is an open source language that may be readily customized to suit your company's or website's demand. PHP is used to organize and process data on large websites like WordPress and Facebook. Web designing and developing languages. Slide continued. SQL. A database query language like SQL is used when your website processes large amounts of data. Your website can be modified to target audience by gathering data from numerous databases using SQL. Java. Java is the most popular programming languages for web development. Developers use it to create website content, games, apps, and software. Moreover, Java is also used for creating most of the Android apps. Python. Using and working with Python is easy. This language can be used to build frameworks to meet just about any website requirement. Languages utilizing this syntax are simple to work with and easy to explain to users, making it easy for web developers to work with them. Instagram and Pinterest are popular sites that use this syntax. Importance of web designing and development. There are some following reasons which conclude that web designing and web development is vital in today's era. It is easy to navigate particular products available on websites, and in few clicks users can access to the whole information of the product. Visual content is presented by the developers on the websites by which users can compare wide range of products with others. From last few surveys, it is lucid that product sales are increasing due to attractive and easy to use websites. Moreover, e-commerce sales are inclined by approximately 21% from last decade. This can help to attract lifetime clients and reach to new ones in few days, which means more profit. Also, it is easier to handle the work of marketing and advertising the products on websites, which saves both time and money. Need of web designing and development to improve the internal system of a company. The majority of the time, our new business first publicity comes from its website. Your website serves as more than just an electronic interface in today's digitalized business settings. It is one of the very first branding and marketing tools, especially for startups. Now, if we talk about the design and development of a website, then its main concern is that your website is quite important in terms of internet marketing. Evidently, Website design and development is something you can't afford to overlook while getting your firm off to a good start. Therefore, whenever you think to improve the internal system of any company, then recognize the need of the company first before continuing the work. Slide continued. A good website influences how clients are drawn into the funnel. It is critical to create a visually appealing layout that will engage the interest of potential clients. People will access your website in a matter of seconds. As a result, the aesthetic components, the interaction of visual and text, and the usability of this platform must all be properly integrated. Failure to make an impact with a great website instead provides your rivals an advantage. Visitors will likely go on to other websites, causing you to miss out on valuable lead. This is when experienced web developers that can work closely with your in-house team come in handy. They have a significant impact on how potential customers view your brand. In fact, professional designers and developers collaborate to combine all critical components from colors to graphics, navigation to UX, which can improve the internal system of a company with a well designed website. What we provide to the company. We are going to provide the training session to the employees of the firm regarding marketing strategies through web development. If any error happen in the website, then we are responsible to resolve it. We will take care of the design of the website, which help to attract more clients. We will provide a 24/7 service to the company for increasing their sales in the market through well structured web designs. Conclusion. A well designed website can help you form a good impression on your prospective customer. It can also help you to nurture your leads and get more conversions in business. However, the more essential is to provide good user experience and help your website visitors access and navigate your website with ease. So, if you are looking for designers and developers to create your website, we can help you a lot because we are experienced in developing websites which are user friendly. Now, before ending, let's take a look at our sales presentation of basic web design and development. This is our basic package of sales price offer for each and every firm. Per strategy, we charge $1,000. This is our basic web designing and development software plan. Now, if you want it annually, then it is $50,000, which include advanced features. Our employee training charges $100, and if you want it annually package, then it's $2,000. And charges for the expert service is $3,000. This comes in 3 months subscription plan, and you have to change it in every 3 months. Now, this is the final price for every company of our annual budget, which is $55,000.